Some of us will always complain, I just subscribed this data, how come it is finished? Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can save your mobile data once you are on the internet, either browsing or you're streaming. For some of us, the primary way of media consumption is streaming. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can save your data once you are on the internet. For most of us, the primary way of media consumption is streaming. Either you're watching videos on YouTube, you're watching videos on Facebook, or you are on WhatsApp and you're chatting with your friends, or you're downloading a particular app into your phone. So today, I'm going to be showing you how you can save your data. As a primary rule, there are chances that the faster your internet speed, the faster your data is likely going to get exhausted. However, I'm going to be showing you how you can cut corners around this and save your data whenever you are on some of these applications. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can save your data when streaming on YouTube, Facebook, Netflix, and also I'm going to show you how you can also save your data whenever you are on WhatsApp, Google Play Store, and Google Photos. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please make sure you like, you share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into this. Remember, I said the faster your internet speed, the faster your data is likely going to get exhausted. Some of these applications have a built-in feature where you can downgrade the quality of the video you are watching to also help you to save, thereby helping you to save your data. So we're going to take the first three applications: WhatsApp, Google Photos, and Google Play Store, before I show you how to also save your data on Netflix, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's get with the first one, WhatsApp.
Open up your WhatsApp, then you see the three dots to your right. Click right there and click on settings. Then you see the option storage and data. Click on it right there. Then you're going to see we have the media auto download, and then we have the media upload quality. You see that one right there, the use less data for calls. So if you're someone you make a lot of calls on WhatsApp voice call or video call, you may want to turn this on right here to use less data when making calls. Then right here we also have the media auto download. This media auto download involves what pictures that are sent on WhatsApp, videos, documents, in fact everything that can be sent to you on WhatsApp. You may be in different group chats and then messages are flying around, people are sending in things that you want and you don't want. Once your media auto download is up, then these things get downloaded automatically. But if you want to turn them off, all you have to do is to click on this option. So you can click on when using mobile data, you can turn on photos, audio, video, and then your documents. So once you say okay, then just know that this will download when using your mobile data, it's going to download all this. But if you turn off the document, it will just go with the pictures, your photos, audio, and videos. So the best thing to do is just to turn it off. So same thing applies when you're connected to a Wi-Fi or when roaming. I have another option right here, which is the photo upload quality. This comes up when you're sending pictures to someone or even uploading pictures to your WhatsApp status. So the best thing to do is to leave it on data saver. That will help save the data you are using on your phone, which definitely will reduce the quality of the picture or the image you are uploading. But if you want to send it or upload such pictures with the original quality, it's best you go with the option best quality, or you just leave it on auto depending on your internet speed. And then remember, the faster your internet speed, the faster your data goes. So to save your data, just turn on use less data for calls, turn off the media auto download when using mobile data, when connected to a Wi-Fi, when roaming, and then your media upload quality, you can take that to data.
I'm sure you were able to follow the steps. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share with your friends. Now let's get to the second application right there, Google Photos.
So the first thing to do is to open up your phone and navigate to where you have Google Photos in your phone. It's called Photos. So you open it and then it comes up this way. So click on the top right corner over there. If you are to look close, you are going to see the option waiting for Wi-Fi. So mine is actually set to wait for Wi-Fi connection before it uploads my pictures and my videos to the Google Cloud. Why? Because the Google Cloud, the Google Photos has a provision, it has a feature that helps to back up your pictures and back up your videos to the Google Cloud storage, which makes it possible that when you lose your phone or whatsoever, you can restore these pictures to a new device once your Gmail is or your account is signed into another device. And of course, to upload these pictures and videos to the Google Cloud, this makes use of a lot of data depending on the number of pictures you have. Now let me show you how to turn this off. Click on that Wi-Fi connection right there. Then you're going to see the three dots to the top right. You click on that, you are going to see the backup settings. So from here, you can now turn off the backup. You can turn it off from there, and then you can see it over there. The backup is now off, meaning that once you're connected to the internet, either using your own mobile data or your Wi-Fi, it's not going to upload anything and it won't eat up your data. And then if you want to turn it on, over there you click on it again, and then you have that option to back up. You have two options: either you want to upload the pictures using standard quality, or you want to upload using a lower quality, depending on what you want. So you can select any of the options. So that is also how you can turn the backup on or turn it off.
Now let's get to the next one, which is Google Play Store. And you should know that this particular application is only for Android users. If you're using an iPhone, this particular video is not for you.
Okay, so open up Play Store on your phone. You can click on the top right corner, get to settings, and then you see that option Network Preferences. Now under Network Preferences, we have two major options there, which you can see: auto update apps and auto play videos. So let's click on auto update apps. Now right here, what this does is whenever you are connected to the internet and there is a recent update to any application you have on your phone, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, or any application at all, the update starts downloading immediately. It starts downloading immediately, especially when the auto update is on. So we have three options here over any network. Say if you're using a Wi-Fi network, it should update. If you're using your personal data, it should update. Or you have over Wi-Fi only, saying okay, it's okay, but then update only when I'm connected to a Wi-Fi, probably not my own network, a free network somewhere. You can update. Or you can simply don't auto update applications. Don't auto update applications. So this option makes it possible for you to regulate the use of your data. We also have another option right there, which is auto play videos. Now, when you open some of these applications, there are videos on some of them. And once you open them right here on the Play Store, there are videos that pops up to tell you what the application does and what it's all about. So videos like that, if it's set to auto updates, once you are connected to the internet as well, this video starts playing automatically. And of course, it's eating up your data. So to save your data, you can just click on this option right here, don't auto update applications. So if you're connected to the internet and these options are not turned off on your phone, they start downloading on the background and they are eating up your data.
Okay, I'm sure you were able to follow through. Now let's get to the last three applications or the last three websites where I'll show you how you can save your data when streaming videos. Let's get to the first one, Netflix. Netflix has a feature also that can help you to save your data whenever you are streaming on Netflix or whenever you're watching a video or you're watching a movie on Netflix. But however, to do the settings, you may need to get to your laptop, to use a laptop to sign in to have access to the settings. Or if you have your mobile phone, you can turn on the web view on your mobile phone and then you get to it. So open up Netflix and then let's get started.
Okay, the first thing to do is to get to your netflix.com, open up the website Netflix, and then log into your own account and get to the particular profile you are using. Mine is open already. So come to this option right here, and then you go to the accounts section. Click on the account. Then you can scroll down. Now take note, this setting has to be done for each of the profile. So if I want to do it for this particular profile right here, which is John, I have to click on it and then scroll down. You have to click on it, then scroll down to this option right here where you have the playback settings. Click on change. Now we have these options right here, the data usage per screen. We have the auto, we have the low, and we have the medium. So let's take it to low. So if you want to save your data, you can see you have to take it down to low. And on low, we have basic video and audio quality is up to 0.3 gig per hour. If it's on medium, we have up to 0.7 gig per hour. But if you want it to be an high, depending on the plan you're using on Netflix, you can see you can have up to 3 gig per hour, 7 gig per hour. So let's leave it on low once you want to save your data, and then you click on save. So that is how you can do this on Netflix.
I'm sure you were able to follow through. Now let's get to the second application right there, Facebook. So get to your Facebook, open up your Facebook on your phone, or you get to facebook.com, or get to facebook.com if you're using the web version. Let me show you what to do.
Okay, so let's get to Facebook on our phone. So then you can open the video section on your Facebook app. Then you try and get to the video, the exact one you want to play. Okay, let's pick this one for example. So once you open this, you can click on the settings icon right there on the lower part of that video. Now you see we have two options. We have the quality and then we have the data saver. So if you want to reduce the amount of data you spend watching this video, you have to turn on your data saver. That option right there, you have to turn it on, because Facebook has a feature that helps you to downgrade the video, to downgrade the quality of the video you want to watch. So click on data saver. We have two options there, optimized and data saver. You can go with the data saver, so you can turn it on. Now we also have the quality. This is where you can manually reduce the quality of the video to the exact one you want to watch, and by reducing the quality, definitely you are saving your data. So you can see it right there. You can reduce it to 420p, 480p, 360p, 140, which is the lowest, 140p, which is the lowest. So once you take it to that 140p, it will save you a lot of data. But then note, the video will not be as clear and sharp as it used to be, or as it's supposed to be. But then this will help preserve your data and save your data.
I'm sure you've been following through. Now let's get to the last application right here, which is the application we are using right now, YouTube. YouTube also has a feature that can help you to save your data whenever you're watching a movie or you're watching a video right here on YouTube. So let me show you how to optimize and make use of these features.
Then once the app comes up, the next thing to do is to click on the top right corner right here, the top right corner, and then you get to your settings. Now you can see the video quality preferences. Just like I said, YouTube has a built-in feature that will help you to downgrade the quality of your video when streaming. Remember, it also helps you to save your data. So helps you to save your data. So click on the video quality preferences. So right here, it's currently on auto. If you want to save your data, you can take it down to the data saver. And then note, we have two sections here. The first section is the video quality on mobile networks, which is your own data. And you also have the video quality on a Wi-Fi when connected to a wireless network. Now, we have the auto option. We also have the higher picture quality, and we have the data saver. So if you want to save your data, all you have to do is to go with this option right here, data saver. But then you have to note that when watching this video, the quality of the video will drop. But that will also help you to do what? Save your data. But then if you want a very high quality, just know you are going to, you can see it right here, uses more data. And then you also have the auto, saying depending on how fast your internet is, it's going to automatically pick what video quality is okay for that internet speed. And we have this second section right here, which is the video quality on Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi, you may be connected to someone else's network and say, okay, let me use a higher picture quality. Since I'm not using my own personal data, and with a higher picture quality, it taps more data. So depending on you, you can set up this on your YouTube. Then another way of doing this, is going to the option data saving. Data saving. Now you can turn on the data saving mode. You can turn on the data saving mode, and under the default settings, you can reduce the video quality right here. You can also reduce the download quality. Remember, YouTube has a provision where you can download videos into the YouTube app. And remember, the more you download higher quality videos, the more your data goes. So you can actually reduce the download quality and also only download over Wi-Fi or unrestricted mobile data. Saying once you're connected to someone else's network, you can now download or upload over Wi-Fi only for those that are uploading videos on YouTube. And then you also can mute playback in feeds over Wi-Fi. So if you want to generally save data on your YouTube, all you have to do is to turn on this option right here, and then it does the rest. Another way you can also do this is to open a particular video. Okay, you can see right now we are on YouTube.
The browser you're currently using is loaded with trackers, cookies, and other data collection parasites that are constantly following.
Okay. So right here, all you have to do is to come to this option here. Now, please look at take note of the quality of this video. You can see the quality of this video. Click on the settings option right here. You are going to see the quality right here, which says the data saver. So I can go to advanced, and then I can take it to the very lowest quality to save my data. Now you can see here. If you are looking closely, you are going to see that the video is no longer clear. It's no longer clear, but it's okay and manageable. So this can also help you to do it. Save your data whenever you are on YouTube. Whenever you are on YouTube. So let's go back to settings. Then the quality right here. You also have that option, the auto. We have the higher picture quality, and we have the data saver. So the data saver is going to pick a relatively low quality image for you. But then if you still want, you just want to go down to the lowest, You can go to advanced right here, and then you pick the lowest quality here, which is 144p.
So whenever your mobile device is connected to the internet, some of these applications are right there open on the background and they sap your data. Some of the application starts updating itself, the auto download is there, and some of these applications saps your data. If you have been able to follow the steps which we took earlier, I'm sure you will be able to save your data. I hope you have been able to learn a trick or two on how you can manage your data. Please make sure you like this video, you share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.